your ideas into a successful online business can be hard, especially if you don't know where to start or where to continue in your business. But don't worry, I'll provide you with the proper tools to build a loyal clientele. Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for your business EIN. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Let's get right into this video. So if you see me looking down, I'm referencing my notes. I wanted to make sure I didn't forget anything in these videos. These type of videos are very informative and I don't want to miss anything. What is an EIN? An EIN, or an employer identification number, is a 9-digit federal tax identification number that identifies your business tax ID. You're basically going to use this number for your business when you're filing your business taxes. You should also check with your state to see if an EIN is required for your business. And I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can check your state. Getting your EIN number is a free service. If you want to pay someone to help you get your EIN, that is the service that you're paying for. But getting the EIN itself is free. If you answer yes to any of these questions, you will need to get an EIN. So you may be wondering what the application looks like. It's just a one-page application. It comes with 2 pages, but the actual application is only 1 page long. Basically on this paper, it's asking for legal name of entity, trade name of business, street address, city, basic information, county, state, social security number or EIN, type of entity, sole proprietorship, partnership, corporate, personal service, corporation, church or church controlled organizations, state, foreign country, reason for applying. Some of the reasons are starting a new business, hired employees, compliance with IRS withholding regulations, banking purposes, change type of organization. They just give you different options. Date business started or acquired. It asks for the month, date, and year. Highest number of employees expected in the next 12 months. That's pretty much it. On the second page, it gives you if and then scenarios. So I'm gonna just read one of them. It says, if the applicant started a new business and doesn't currently have nor expect to have employees, then complete lines. And the form is called the SS4 form. So ways to apply. How can I apply for my EIN? You can apply online, you can fax it, you can also mail it, or you can apply over the phone. How long will it take to get an EIN? So if you do it online, you get your EIN immediately. If you fax it, it'll take 1 week. If you mail it, it'll take 4 weeks. And if you do it by phone, you get it immediately. If you're going to do it mail or fax, if your principal business, office or agency or legal residence, in the case of an individual, is located in one of the 50 states or District of Columbia, you're going to mail it or fax it to this. And if you have no legal residence, principal place of business, or principal office or agency in any states, you're going to fax it or mail it to this. So in today's video, we covered what is an EIN, basic qualifying questions, what does the form look like, ways to apply for your EIN, how long will it take to get an EIN, and where to file your taxes if you're going to mail it or fax. Again, I left links in the description box below if you want more information about the EIN. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Talk to you loves later.